Explore the intricacies of friendship with our latest YouTube video, 10 Signs They Are a Fake Friend. Discover the subtle cues that may reveal insincerity in your connections. From jealousy to abandonment, we unravel the signs that distinguish genuine friendships from those that may not stand the test of authenticity. Watch the video and ensure your circle is built on trust and sincerity. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode of No Further Channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's both relatable and crucial for healthy relationships, recognizing the signs of a fake friend. Genuine friendships are invaluable, but unfortunately, not everyone in our circle may have our best interests at heart. In this video, we'll explore 10 telltale signs that might indicate someone is not as genuine a friend as they appear to be. Let's get started. 1. Inconsistent communication. In the realm of friendships, one of the glaring signs that might point to a fake friend is inconsistent communication. A genuine friendship is built on the foundation of mutual connection and meaningful interaction. However, when communication becomes sporadic, unreliable, and seemingly one-sided, it could be an indicator that something may be amiss. A fake friend may reach out only when they need something or when it's convenient for them, creating a sense of one-sidedness in the dynamic. You may notice a pattern where they surface in your life selectively, leaving you wondering about their commitment to the friendship during the quieter moments. So, if you find yourself consistently playing the role of the initiator in conversations or feeling like you're left in the dark about your friend's life, it's worth considering whether this inconsistency is indicative of a deeper issue within the friendship. A true friend values the bond enough to nurture consistent communication, fostering a connection that withstands the test of time and circumstance. 2. Lack of support. In the intricate tapestry of friendships, one crucial thread that, when absent, might unravel the whole fabric is the lack of support. A true friend is not just a companion in good times but a pillar of strength during challenging moments. When you find yourself facing life's hurdles alone, it could be an indication that the friendship is not as genuine as it should be. Support manifests in various forms. It's the friend who cheers you on in moments of triumph and lends a comforting ear in times of distress. A fake friend, however, might be noticeably absent during these crucial junctures. They might withhold encouragement or fail to offer solace when you need it most, leaving you to navigate difficulties without their support. So, if you sense a conspicuous absence of support in your friendship, it's essential to evaluate whether this dynamic aligns with your expectations of a genuine connection. True friendships thrive on a reciprocal exchange of encouragement and comfort, and recognizing the absence of support empowers you to make informed decisions about the nature of the relationship. 3. Negative energy and criticism. Negative energy in a friendship can manifest in various ways. A fake friend might consistently bring pessimism into your interactions, projecting their own issues onto your experiences. This can create an unhealthy dynamic where conversations are dominated by criticism, complaints, or an overall sense of negativity. Criticism, when not offered constructively, can be detrimental to a friendship. A true friend provides feedback with the intention of helping you grow, but a fake friend may criticize you without offering any solutions or improvements. This kind of negativity can erode your confidence and create an atmosphere of constant judgment. Identifying negative energy and criticism involves being attuned to the overall emotional tone of the friendship. If you find that your interactions consistently leave you feeling drained, criticized, or surrounded by an air of pessimism, it's crucial to evaluate whether this aligns with the qualities you seek in a genuine friendship. True friendships should be sources of positivity, encouragement, and support. While disagreements and constructive criticism are normal in any relationship, a consistent pattern of negative energy and unproductive criticism may be indicative of a friendship that lacks the essential elements of authenticity and mutual respect. 4. Betrayal of trust. Betrayal can take various forms, from sharing confidential information without consent to outright deception. A fake friend may break your trust by divulging your secrets, spreading rumors, or engaging in actions that undermine the mutual trust you've built. This breach often leaves you questioning the sincerity of the friendship and the motives behind such actions. Recognizing the betrayal of trust involves a careful examination of actions that deviate from the norms of loyalty and confidentiality. A genuine friend respects the sanctity of shared confidences and prioritizes your well-being over personal gain. In contrast, a fake friend may prioritize their own interests, even if it means betraying your trust. The aftermath of betrayal is not only a fracture in the friendship but also a profound breach of emotional security. It can lead to feelings of hurt, disappointment, and a sense of vulnerability. Paying attention to your emotional responses when trust is compromised is crucial in identifying whether the friendship aligns with the values of authenticity and loyalty. 5. Selective availability. Selective availability is characterized by a friend who seems to appear in your life only when it suits their agenda. They may be present during moments of celebration or joy but mysteriously absent or unreachable when you face challenges or need emotional support. This pattern suggests that their commitment to the friendship is conditional and dependent on favorable circumstances. Identifying selective availability involves recognizing patterns in your friend's behavior. A true friend prioritizes your well-being consistently, making an effort to be present during both highs and lows. In contrast, a fair-weather friend may be noticeably absent during crucial moments, leaving you to question the reliability of the friendship. 6. Constant competition. Constant competition in a friendship can take various forms. A fake friend may exhibit a pattern of one-upmanship, always striving to outshine or overshadow your achievements. Instead of sharing in your joy, they may redirect the focus to their own accomplishments, turning moments of celebration into unspoken contests. Identifying constant competition involves observing the overall tone of the friendship. In authentic connections, friends share in each other's victories and provide encouragement during challenges. When competition becomes a dominant theme, it creates an unhealthy dynamic that can lead to feelings of inadequacy, rivalry, and a sense that your successes are viewed as threats. This behavior can stem from underlying insecurities within the fake friend. Their need to constantly compete may be driven by a fear of being overshadowed or a desire to maintain a facade of superiority. Genuine friends, on the other hand, rejoice in each other's achievements and provide a supportive foundation for personal growth. 7. Conditional friendship. In the intricate realm of friendships, a notable warning sign of a potential fake friend is the existence of conditional friendship. Genuine connections are characterized by unconditional acceptance and support, embracing one another for who we are. However, when a friendship is conditional, contingent on specific circumstances or criteria, it prompts reflection on the authenticity of the bond. Conditional friendship often manifests in a friend's presence being subject to certain conditions or prerequisites. It may involve their involvement in your life only during favorable times, when everything is smooth sailing. These fair-weather friends might vanish when faced with challenges, indicating that their commitment to the friendship is tethered to comfortable circumstances. 8. Jealousy and resentment. Jealousy and resentment are often indicators of a fake friend. When someone harbors feelings of envy or bitterness towards your achievements or happiness, it signifies a lack of genuine support. Fake friends may disguise their negative emotions, but these underlying sentiments can manifest through subtle actions and passive-aggressive behavior, eroding the foundation of a sincere friendship. Genuine friends celebrate your successes and genuinely support your endeavors without any hidden agendas. 9. Excessive self-centeredness. Excessive self-centeredness is a significant red flag when it comes to identifying a fake friend. If someone consistently prioritizes their needs, desires, and concerns over yours, it indicates a lack of genuine interest in mutual support and companionship. A true friend values a reciprocal relationship where both parties contribute and share in each other's joys and challenges. When self-centered behavior prevails, it can create an imbalanced dynamic, leaving you feeling neglected or unimportant. Authentic friendships thrive on a sense of equality and consideration for each other's well-being, making it essential to recognize and address such self-centered tendencies in order to foster meaningful connections. 10. Abandonment in difficult times. Abandonment in difficult times is a clear indicator of a fake friend. When someone withdraws or disappears when you're facing challenges or hardships, it reveals a lack of genuine commitment and emotional support. True friends stand by you during tough moments, offering a listening ear, empathy, and assistance. If a person is absent when you need them most, it suggests a superficial connection rather than a sincere bond. Recognizing this behavior helps in discerning authentic friendships, where loyalty and compassion endure even in the face of adversity, distinguishing them from relationships that falter when support is needed most. Conclusion: spotting fake friends is essential for cultivating a circle of genuine connections. Remember, it's okay to reassess your relationships and prioritize those who reciprocate the care and effort you invest. Building a circle of authentic friendships enriches your life and contributes to your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on No Further channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building healthy relationships and navigating life's complexities. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you encountered fake friends? How did you handle it? Until next time, take care and surround yourself with those who uplift and support you.